It is shocking to see, due to technical snag in this double engine Sarkar and the way they have failed to invite Pope Francis for the exposition of Saint Francis Xavier. Despite a letter to the Chief Minister in 2023 and several other organizations making him a request, this government has failed, or the central government has failed to invite Pope Francis for the exposition. The last papal visit was Pope John Paul II in February 1986, when he had visited Goa and he had said a beautiful mass in Kampal Penjin, and the people of Goa were joyous over the news of the visit of the Pope Francis for the exposition scheduled in a few days. The Chief Minister should know and immediately clarify where and what went wrong. I believe that the high-powered committee that is formed for the exposition, we have met only once, we need to meet again and decide on this very important issue. There are several other suggestions also made from the Save Old Goa Action Committee. And I believe that with regards to a master plan being prepared, also what happens to the controversial bungalow at the Old Goa, what happens to the 300 crores that were asked by this government to their central engine, what happened to these 300 crores? These are questions that this government needs to answer, and I hope that the Honorable Chief Minister looks at this issue very seriously.